Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to start the extraction of the less reactive metals. Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to start the extraction of less reactive metals. So less reactive metals means what? The metals they are at the bottom of reactivity series are called as less reactive metals. Like we have gold, we have silver, we have platinum. These are the less reactive metals. So these less reactive metals are generally occurs in nature in a free state. That means they are not found in combining state with other metals or non-metals. So generally what we are doing, we are obtaining these metals at their pure form itself. Okay. So in least reactive metals we have copper, which occurs in combining as well as in free state. That means native state. So जो combining state में मिलता है हम उसका extraction करेंगे. That means we have to understand the extraction of copper metals. Okay. So let's start the extraction of copper. So copper in our nature it found in sulfide state, sulfide form. So it is Cu(S) or Cu2S. So this copper metal occurs in a sulfide form, that is copper sulfide. Okay. So the extraction of copper sulfide is really very easy. What you have to do? You have to do just to heat this copper sulfide at a high temperature in presence of oxygen. So what happens when copper sulfide reacts with oxygen? So let's see. When copper sulfide reacts with oxygen gas, it forms copper oxide, that is Cu2O, and sulfur dioxide gas is released. So sulfur dioxide gas means SO2 gas is released or it escapes out from our material. Okay. So now we have to balance the reaction. Okay. See here we have oxygen only one and here we have two. That means हमको उस साइड में भी ऑक्सीजन इवन नंबर में चाहिए. So for doing even number we have to multiply here by 2. Here by 2. So we have twice of Cu2 and here we only one. So here we are again have to multiply by 2. Now we have sulfur 2. देखो हमने इसको बैलेंस किया लेकिन इफेक्ट किसके ऊपर हुआ? सल्फर के ऊपर. तो सल्फर को बैलेंस करेंगे. So here again we have to multiply by 2. Okay. Now we have to balance the oxygen. See, copper 2 2s are 4 हो गए. Copper here we have 2 2s are 4. Sulfur we have 2. Sulfur we have 2. Now we have to balance the oxygen only. So here 2 2s are 4 and here 2, that is 6 oxygen present. And here we have only 2. So we have to multiply here by 3. So now our reaction is balanced. So what we have done? We have just heated our copper sulfide, which is the ore for the extraction of copper, in presence of or excess of air. That means from air copper reacts with oxygen to get oxidized and it forms copper oxide. Then this copper oxide again reacts with copper sulfide. See, Cu2O again reacts with Cu2S to form copper metal and sulfur dioxide gas is again released. Okay. So this is the final product which escapes out from the material. Okay. So now we have to again balance the reaction. Here we have 2 copper. No, we have to balance the oxygen first. See, here we have 2 and here we have only 1. So हमने यहाँ पर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब कॉपर कितने हो गए? यहाँ पर 2 और यहाँ पर कितने हो गए? 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. So हमने यहाँ पर 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Now we have to balance the sulfur. Sulfur here only 1 and here again we have only 1. So this is now the balanced reaction. Okay. So see here we have got the copper metal. हमने क्या किया है? Just we have heated this material with the help of in presence of oxygen, and it further oxidizes, and then copper oxide again reacts with copper sulfide to form copper metal at its pure state. Okay, so this is the really very easy process for the extraction of copper. Okay, so write down this part, then we will move further. Okay, so write down now. So student, now we are going to understand the refining of metal, because the metal which we have extracted from the various processes of the very reactive metal, moderate reactive metal and least reactive metal, they are not at their pure form. So what we are doing? We are doing to refining, that is another process of the metallurgy. That means हम यहाँ पर जो मेटल एक्सट्रैक्ट हुए हैं हम उसको और भी प्योर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज रिफाइनिंग. ओके, सो this is the refinery unit which is used for the refining of metal. Okay, so now we are starting the refining process. Okay, so what is refining basically? So refining is the process by which the metals are converted at their pure form. Okay, because the metal which are extracted from the various processes, they are not in their pure form. That means they contain a small impurities in them. जैसे कि अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं आयरन की. ओके, सो आयरन में जो मेन इंप्यूरिटी होती है वो होती है कार्बन की. ओके, किसकी होती है बेटा? कार्बन की इंप्यूरिटी होती है. सो कार्बन की इंप्यूरिटी है. सो जो मेटल है फेरस, हम उसको स्टेनलेस स्टील कहेंगे. ओके, लाइक अगर फेरस का अगर प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म अगर ऑब्टेन होता है हम उसको बोलते हैं व्रोट आयरन. क्या बोलते हैं? व्रोट आयरन. But the ferrous metal which is obtained after the extraction of the various processes, that metal contain higher percentage of impurity of carbon. That iron is called as pig iron or cast iron. हम उसको cast iron बोलते हैं या pig iron बोलते हैं, which contain the large amount of impurity of carbon atom. But when the impurity of carbon atom is reduces up to 4%, अगर फेरस में कार्बन की इम्प्योरिटी 4% से अगर कम है, देन हम उसको बोलेंगे इट इज द स्टेनलेस स्टील. सो फेरस में जो हार्डनेस होती है, दैट हार्डनेस इज ड्यू टू द इम्प्योरिटी ऑफ कार्बन एटम. ओके, फिर अगर हमने और भी इम्प्योरिटी को कम किया अप टू 4 to 0.2% तक, ये हो जाएगा हमारा स्टेनलेस स्टील. अगर 0.2 से कम की इंप्यूरिटी है कार्बन की, देन दैट प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन इज कॉल्ड एज व्रोट आयरन. हम उसको बोलते हैं व्रोट आयरन. और व्रोट आयरन इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन. जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, इट इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन कॉल्ड व्रोट आयरन. ओके, सो व्रोट आयरन एक्चुअल में जो प्योर फॉर्म है वो बहुत ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होता है एज कंपेयर टू द आयरन दैट वी आर यूजिंग इन आवर कंस्ट्रक्शन पर्पसेस एंड अदर पर्पसेस फॉर हाउस होल्ड. लाइक आयरन से बनी हुई हमारी ग्रिल्स है, आयरन से बने हुए हमारे घरों की डोर है, फ्रेम है ना. सो इनमें एक्चुअल में क्या होता है? आयरन की इंप्यूरिटी बहुत ज्यादा. तो जैसे हम कार्बन की इंप्यूरिटी बढ़ाते जाएंगे, हमारा जो स्ट्रेंथ है आयरन की वो बढ़ते जाती है, उसकी हार्डनेस बढ़ती जाती है. ओके, सो साथ साथ उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट भी बढ़ते जाता है, और उसको कोरोड होने की जो प्रोसेस है वो भी स्लो हो जाती है. दैट्स व्हाई द इंप्यूरिटी ऑफ कार्बन इन आयरन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट हैज इट्स डिफरेंट बेनिफिट, और वी कैन से कमर्शियल बेनिफिट है इसके. ओके, सो the refining is the conversion of metal into their pure form to remove the small amount of impurity present along with metal is called as refining. Okay, so this is the way we are refining the metal into their pure form. Okay, so students, यहाँ पर हमारा extraction as well as refining of metal is completed. Now we are moving toward the corrosion of metals. Okay, so we are going to understand the corrosion of metal. So what is corrosion? So we have our section can you recall. So in can you recall we have the first question, what is corrosion? So what is corrosion basically? So we know the corrosion is the slow process of decay and degradation of metal due to the effect of moisture and air is called as corrosion. What is corrosion? The process of, or we can say the slow process of degradation of metals due to the effect of air and moisture is called as corrosion. What is corrosion? It is the slow process of degradation of metal due to the effect of surrounding. अब surrounding में क्या है? Surrounding में है air due to the effect of air and moisture. Okay? This slow process of degradation of metal is called as corrosion. Okay? So next question says, have you seen these some articles which are corrode in our surrounding? So yes, the old iron grills. जनरली क्या होता है, हमारे घरों में जो ओल्ड आयरन की ग्रिल्स होती है उनके ऊपर ब्राउन कलर का एक लेयर फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज नथिंग बट द कोरोजन. दिस स्लो प्रोसेस ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ द आयरन इज कॉल्ड एज रस्टिंग. Okay, so the rusting or corrosion is the very big financial loss for the human being, because most of the construction plan which are completed with the help of iron itself. Okay, so आयरन को जंग लगना ये आज की डेट में बहुत ज्यादा इकोनॉमिकल लॉस है. ओके, फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग, बिकॉज हमारे बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन में, रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन में, ब्रिज कंस्ट्रक्शन में, है ना, जहां पर भी हमारा सीमेंट कंक्रीट यूज होता है वहां पर हम यूज करते हैं आयरन रॉड्स. दिस आयरन रॉड्स गेट इजीली degraded by the effect of air and moisture. Okay, so that's why we can say this corrosion causes a very big financial loss to the human welfare. Okay, so write down the definition of corrosion, then we will move towards the next part of the this lesson. Okay, so write down now. Like the copper metal, it also reacts with the carbon dioxide of the surrounding and it forms the greenish layer on its surface. That greenish layer is nothing but the corrosion of copper, and it is the very poisonous one. Okay, so there are many metals, they generally react with air, moisture and other gases like carbon dioxide gas, and they get corroded. That means degradation of metal takes place. Okay, so this process is nothing but corrosion. Okay, but you can say the platinum and gold, they always glitter. वो हमेशा शाइन करते हैं, उनके ऊपर कोरोड नहीं होता, because these metals are very less reactive, or we can say the least reactive metals, so they do not react with the air and moisture. That's why they does not corrode and glitter continuously. Okay, so gold and platinum and silver, we can say the silver which is not the going to react with the surroundings, air and moisture, that's why they glitter always. Okay, but silver corrode very slowly and it takes a very long time, because the light black color layer is covered by over the silver metal, because it again reacts with the air and moisture. Okay, so these are nothing but the examples of corrosion. Okay, so write down. See, the different metals, they react with air and moisture. अब एयर में एक्चुअल में क्या है, मॉइस्चर भी है एंड ऑक्सीजन भी है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी है एंड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड भी है. सो एयर इज नथिंग बट द मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल अदर गैसेस एंड मॉइस्चर आल्सो. ओके, सो व्हेन फेरस रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर, ओके, it forms ferric oxide which is nothing but the brown red color brown red colors powder like substance over the surface of the ferrous, that is rust. हम उसको rust बोलते हैं, but it is nothing but the ferric oxide. Okay, and the copper when reacts with carbon dioxide, it forms copper carbonate. It is nothing but the greenish layer which is formed over the copper metal, and it is very poisonous. Okay, and the silver when reacts with sulfur dioxide which is present in our surrounding, it reacts to form silver sulfide. Okay, so this is nothing but the corrosion of silver, this is the corrosion of copper, and this is the corrosion of ferrous. Okay, so these are the different products when the metal going to react with air, moisture, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and other gases of the surrounding. Okay, so to prevention of corrosion is very important, because these are nothing but the economic laws of the human welfare. Okay, so in next video we are going to understand how to prevent the different metals by corrosion. Okay, so we can reduce the loss of human welfare economically. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. आई होप आपको आज का लेक्चर बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा होगा, बिकॉज ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नथिंग बट यू आर सराउंडेड बाय देम. ओके, एंड यू ऑल्सो नो ऑल दिस मेटल्स एंड हाउ दे आर corrode with the help of, or we can say due to the effect of air and moisture. Okay, so bye for now.